First, I'll take general equation of parabola. And to get general equation of parabola, there is a
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. There is a fixed line which we call as directrix. Parabola की equation पे बात कर रहे हैं हम, general equation of parabola. So first we are taking a fixed line. Let the equation of this line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And there is a fixed point. Let the fixed point is S having coordinate x1 and y1. And this is one point P we have, which will be taken as x comma y. And if this point create or follow a path of parabola, then what condition I told you, अगर ये point आपका parabolic path follow करेगा, then distance of this variable point from the focus and distance from the directrix, PS equals to P. This ratio has to be equal. ये लेंथ इसके इक्वल अगर चलेगी तो ये आपके पास जितने भी पॉइंट आएंगे इस पैराबोला पे या इस कोनिक सेक्शन पे, उनकी डिस्टेंस फोकस से और डायरेक्ट्रिक्स से हमेशा इक्वल निकलेगी. That means if they want the equation of parabola, what condition I should keep in mind? PS by PM is eccentricity, and eccentricity has to be taken as 1. Ellipse के लिए कहा था eccentricity less than 1 होनी चाहिए. हाइपरबोला के लिए इट्स ग्रेटर देन 1 होनी चाहिए. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. PS by PM is coming E is coming 1 here, or I should say in this case PS is coming PM. PS means the distance this, PM means this distance. I take the square on both sides now. When I go for PS, it will come out to be x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square. ये तो हमारी PS distance हो गई, जो हम distance formula से निकाल सकते हैं. Now we are concerned about PM. ये लेंथ चाहिए हमको और ये डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला हमको परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला चाहिए, क्योंकि ये पॉइंट है और ये लाइन है. तो लाइन की अगर पॉइंट से डिस्टेंस चाहिए तो इट विल बी अ परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. एंड इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट दिस, तो इट विल कम आउट टू बी a x plus b y plus c by root of a square plus b square whole square. This is called equation of parabola. ये हमारी कहलाएगी जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला. Okay, one more question, write down please. Find the equation of parabola. Now आगे लिखो एक और क्वेश्चन इसी पे. Find the equation of parabola whose equation of directrix is 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0, and the focus coordinate is 1, 1. Again we have focus given, again we have directrix given, and we should calculate equation of parabola. ये equation of parabola मुझे चाहिए, इसकी इक्वेशन चाहिए मुझे. तो अगर मुझे इसकी इक्वेशन कैलकुलेट करनी है, इसका मतलब हमारी कंडीशन जो हमारे पास होती है, PS by PM should be eccentricity, and if it is a parabola, eccentricity has to be 1. So I got it, PS square is equal to PM square. Now PS will be this length. What this length will be? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to. Now we go for PM. PM आपके पास हो गया 3x plus y plus 5 by under root of 9 plus 16, और इस पूरे का हमें होल स्क्वायर कर लेना है. You can solve it later, वो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ये नीचे 5 आएगा, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 हो जाएगा, 25 यहाँ चला जाएगा, और बाकी टर्म्स आप होल स्क्वायर खोलो और कंबाइन करो. ये भी छोड़ दोगे तो भी इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Now coming on standard form of parabola. Now after getting this, तो जब भी जनरल इक्वेशन हमको निकालनी है तो PS by PM इस इसेंट्रिसिटी हम यूज करेंगे. पैराबोला है तो इसेंट्रिसिटी को 1 कर देंगे. अगर इलिप्स है तो इसेंट्रिसिटी आपकी लेस देन 1 वो दी जाएगी क्वेश्चन में. अगर हाइपरबोला है तो ग्रेटर देन 1 दी जाएगी क्लास. Now we are coming on general standard form of parabola, and in that we are taking first standard form. Standard means we are standardizing the result. हम खुद स्टैंडर्ड बना रहे हैं रिजल्ट में. There are certain restrictions we are making here. This is the first parabola I am taking. It is the point we call as vertex A. Focus will be this point. This is the intersection of directrix. ये आपकी डायरेक्ट्रिक्स है and the axis. Okay, and now what informations or what conditions I am taking? This axis which you are having, we take that as x-axis. पहली कंडीशन हमने क्या कहा कि axis we will take as x-axis, and whatever this vertex we will take this as origin. We have decided that vertex we will take as origin. X-axis will be the axis. Then clearly this will be the line called as y-axis. ये आपकी y-axis होगी. Is it right? ये आपकी y-axis हो गई जो आपके vertex पे tangent की तरह काम करेगी. And now focus coordinate to be calculated, this coordinate to be calculated. Let we will take distance between this point and the focus is A. ये डिस्टेंस हमने कहा ए हम मान के चल रहे हैं फोकस में और डायरेक्ट वर्टेक्स में. अगर ये डिस्टेंस ए है इसका मतलब फोकस के कोऑर्डिनेट हमारे पास हो गए a,0. एंड नाउ चेक प्लीज, ये पॉइंट आपका पैराबोला पे है तो इसकी डिस्टेंस डायरेक्ट्रिक्स से और इसकी डिस्टेंस आपके फोकस से सेम होगी. इसका मतलब ये डिस्टेंस ए है तो ये डिस्टेंस भी हमारी ए काउंट होगी. और अगर ये डिस्टेंस ए काउंट हुई तो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट हो गए -a,0. Is it clear or no? These are the informations we are taking. That's why it is called standard. हम standardize कर रहे हैं इसको. Now, can you tell what is the equation of this directrix? Will it be parallel to y-axis? ये लाइन आपकी y-axis के पैरेलल होगी. At what distance? At -a. So equation of this come out to be x is equal to -a, which you can write as x plus a comes out to be 0. ये आपकी equation of directrix होगी.
सर ये कैसे लिखिए?
This is a line parallel to y-axis. Y-axis के parallel line क्या होती है? X is equal to something. What something? That distance from the origin. Origin से जो distance होती है, ये distance आपकी a है, and from the negative side, so it will be x is equal to -a. After getting this, now if I you find out equation of this parabola. अगर इस equation of parabola निकालनी है तो method is the same. P to S you take, and then P to M you take. This is the general point we have. Its distance from focus I'll take, its distance from directrix I'll take. And then what I'll write here, PS by PM comes out to be 1. What condition I'll take? PS by PM come out to be 1. And if you take PS is PM, so we will say PS square is equal to PM square. This is a general point, so keep this as x comma y. And as you take this as x comma y, what will be this equation? It will be x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Agree on this? ये मेरा distance formula हो गया. Then we have PM. यहाँ से यहाँ तक की perpendicular distance, and equation is x plus a is equal to 0. तो x into 1 plus y into 0, यहाँ y की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, plus a, perpendicular distance formula. तो ये हो गया x plus a by root of 1 whole square. because a square plus b square होता है, तो a is 1, b is not here, y है तो y का पार्ट नहीं है तो 0 हो जाएगा, तो root of 1 square plus 0 square. And now if I solve it, it will come x square minus of 2ax plus of a square plus of y square come out to be x square plus a square plus 2ax. X square and a square clearly gone. Then my result left is y square is equal to 4ax. This is the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, which is called standard parabola number 1. In exam, they will be giving this relation or this equation of parabola to you. You have to make this diagram. ये diagram you have to make. ये सारी information आपके पास होनी चाहिए. That focus is a comma 0, directrix is having coordinate x is equal to minus a, vertex is 0 0, general point is x comma y, x axis will be the axis here.
सर
Is it right? हाँ बोलो.
सर इसके अंदर एग्जाम में प्रूफ मांग सकते हैं किस चीज का? y
इसका
square is
proof
equal to
नहीं,
4x.
याद करना है आपको. So y square is equal to 4x is the parabola. Now one more thing, note here. Any line I told you which is perpendicular to the axis and passing through focus will be called as latus rectum. ये L point है और ये L dash है. This is your latus rectum. I told you this is the chord which is perpendicular to the axis and passing through focus. परपेंडिकुलर कॉर्ड आपको कहा था डबल ऑर्डिनेट बोला जाता है, और जो फोकस से पास हो जाती है उसको फोकल कॉर्ड बोला जाता है. एंड अ कॉर्ड व्हिच सेटिस्फाई बोथ द कंडीशन, दैट इज इट इज अ डबल ऑर्डिनेट एज वेल एज फोकल कॉर्ड, मींस इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्सिस एंड पासिंग थ्रू फोकस. दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज लेटस रेक्टम. एंड नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, कैन यू राइट डाउन द व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लेटस रेक्टम? हाँ जी, इज इट पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस और वाई एक्सिस?
Yes,
ये भी वाई एक्सिस के
Yes,
पैरेलल
sir.
है. और कितनी डिस्टेंस पे है?
Yes,
ए पे.
A
व्हाट
पर-
इज इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस विल बी x इज
x
इक्वल.
minus a. सर ठीक है.
Then if I say you find out length of this L to L dash length कितनी है वो कैलकुलेट करनी है. So we'll go for coordinate here. On this line x coordinate is always a. y1. Here it will come a minus y1. Right or no? This is a y1, this is a minus y1. And as this point is on the parabola, it will satisfy here. ये point यहाँ satisfy करना चाहिए. अगर satisfy करेगा तो ये आएगा y1 square is 4a into a. Or I should say y1 square is 4a square, or I should say y1 is plus minus 2a. That means what is the coordinate of this? Its coordinate is a to a, its coordinate is a and minus of 2a. These are the endpoints of your latus rectum. And what will be this length now? ये length कितनी है? 2a.
4
ये a है, ये 2 है, तो 2a ये रहा, 2a ये रहा. Total length come out to be 4a. So I should say L dash come out to be 4a. This is the length of latus rectum. What is x's equation? Axis क्या है? X axis है. X axis है means what is the equation? Y is equal to 0. ये भी आपको याद रखना है. So this is called standard parabola number 1. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now just check here. It is given x and with plus sign, it shows that it is going to open in positive x-axis. देख लो ये x-axis की तरफ open हो रहा है. So that is indicating here. Along x-axis, x की direction में it is going to open. Now coming on second parabola. Standard number 2. In standard parabola number 2, that will be simply changed the first one from positive to negative and negative to positive. We are reversing it. This is the parabola we have. Vertex is here A, vertex is 0 0. यहां फोकस चेंज हो जाएगा. अर्लियर here we were having डायरेक्ट्रिक्स, अब यहां फोकस आ गया है. This is point K, which is the intersection of directrix and the axis. ये आपकी डायरेक्ट्रिक्स है. ये आपकी एक्स एक्सिस है ही, इसमें कोई चेंज है नहीं. This coordinate will be what? माइनस ए 0 हो जाएगा आपकी बार फोकस, और ये कोऑर्डिनेट आपका ए 0 हो गया. सो के पॉइंट एस की जगह चला गया, एस आपका के की जगह आ गया. Okay, what is the equation of this directrix this time?
X is equals to A.
It will come out to be x is equal to a, क्योंकि ये y एक्सिस के पैरेलल है, ये आपका y एक्सिस है. That means the equation come out to be x minus a is coming 0. Okay. Now if they ask you find out the equation of this parabola, so I take a general point P having coordinate xy. And if you want the equation, then PS must be equal to PM. PS by PM should be 1, or I should say PS square is PM square. If you want PS, ये line distance चाहिए आपको, तो what it will come? X plus A whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square equal to PM. ये लेंथ निकालनी है, तो ये लेंथ यहां से निकलेगी x minus a by root 1 whole square. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be x square plus 2ax plus of a square plus of y square come out to be x square minus 2ax plus of a square. X square cancel out, a square cancel out, we got y square is coming minus 4ax. What minus 4ax shows? It open on negative side of x-axis. Axis is along x-axis but open towards negative x-axis. So y square is equal to minus 4ax is the parabola we will be having in this case. Is it clear? After getting this, again we come on the lattice rectum. This is point L, this is L dash. What is equation of this line?
X is equals to minus A.
This will be x is equal to
x minus a.
And now we think about this coordinate. ये coordinate निकालना है, तो x will be minus a everywhere. ये हो गया माइनस ए कॉमा y1, ये हो गया माइनस ए कॉमा y1, नीचे वाले को ये माइनस y1 करते हैं. And this point is clearly going to satisfy your parabola. ये point आपका parabola को satisfy करेगा. So what I get here, y1 square equal to minus 4a into minus of a. Or I should say y1 square is 4a square. Or I should say y1 will be plus minus 2a. That means this part is 2a. This will be minus of 2. Again, this length will be 2a. This length is 2a. So total length will be 2a plus 2a. That will come out to be 4a.
मम्मी को बोल देना तैयार हो जाएगी. दांत का दिखा. तेरे को तो कुछ नहीं दिखा.
So LL dash is 4a. The length of lattice rectum will be 4a. We should remember. Same way the equation is x is equal to minus a. X is equal to a will be this line. So you have directrix, you have axis. Axis की equation अगर कही जाए तो y is equal to 0. This is standard number 2. तो अगर y square is equal to minus 4ax कहा जाए तो axis will be along x axis, but it is going to open in negative x direction. That you should keep in mind. Noted? हाँ जी, नोट कर लिया?
यस सर, कर लिया.
Okay. Standard 3.
Yes, sir.
Now in standard 3 we will change x to y, y to x. अभी तक हमने क्या किया था? Positive x to negative x change किया है. Now I'll take, it will change from x to y, y to x. This is the parabola. This is our directrix. This is the vertex we have. The coordinate of this vertex will be 0, 0. Focus आपकी बार आपका y axis पे. Axis is what? This will be y axis here.
0,
And this will be x axis, which is tangent to the vertex. This point will be what? ये लेंथ आपकी a मान के चल रहे थे आप हमेशा, तो ये कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा 0, a. And this coordinate will be 0, minus a. This is the k point. And what about your directrix? ये लाइन आपकी
Y.
parallel to x axis है, तो it will come y equal to minus of a. Or I should say it is y plus a come out to be 0. Same way if I go for equation here now, we will take general point P on it. This is your focus. So this is PS and this will have PM. And the condition says PS is PM squaring both the side. And P point is x, y. So PS when I take, it will be coming x minus 0 whole square plus y minus a whole square equal to PM. PM is this total length. Perpendicular length निकालोगे तो ये आएगा y plus a by root of 1 whole square. Then I'll write x square plus y square plus a square minus 2ay equal to. This will come out to be y square plus a square plus 2ay.
y square is
Y square, a square clearly gone.
x square is 4.
Left is x square is 4ay. What changes here? It will be along y-axis. Axis is along y-axis and it is positive, so it is going to open on the positive direction. Clear? Again we go on lattice rectum. This is our lattice rectum. Let this point be L and this will be L dash.
x
Can you tell what is the equation of it?
x1 comma
इसकी इक्वेशन बताओ भाई.
y is equals to a.
Y is coming equal to a. And when you think about this coordinate, x1 minus comma a, here it will come minus x minus a.
Sir, x comma a.
ये प्लस होगा
हाँ, x.
a.
और
Right.
सर वहां पे माइनस. अच्छा नहीं सही.
Right है?
हाँ.
Now this
सर
point
वहां पर माइनस ये नहीं होगा क्या?
क्यों होगा माइनस से? सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट में a माइनस होता है क्या? y कोऑर्डिनेट
पॉजिटिव.
x coordinate होता है, वो मैंने कर दिया. Now this point and this point will satisfy here, so I got it x square is 4a into a. इसको x1 कर रहा हूं मैं. So x1 square is 4a square.
2.
x1 come out to be plus minus 2a. That means this coordinate is 2a comma a.
minus 2
This will be minus 2a comma a. And this length, if they ask, L dash, ये वाला लेंथ कितना होगा? यहां से यहां तक ये x कोऑर्डिनेट 2a, यहां से यहां तक ये फिर 2a, so total length remain 4a. If I go for equation of axis, axis की equation क्या होगी? Who is equation of x axis? Sorry, y axis हो गया ये. Y axis की equation हो गई x is equal to 0. This is standard number 3. I expect now you should make standard 4 इसको reverse करके. चलिए बनाइए. Make the standard 4 yourself. Yes, standard 4. Yes, what should be the vertex here?
So 0, 0.
Vertex is this point called as 0, 0. What is focus coordinate?
0, comma minus a.
0, comma minus a. What is the intersection of directrix and axis?
0, comma a.
0, comma a. What is equation of this directrix?
Y is equals to
Y is equal to a. Okay, then I go for the equation. So P point is here, PS, and this will be PM. This line is Y minus A equal to 0. So we have PS by PM comes out to be 1, or I should say PS square is PM square. PS, ये general point हो गया x comma y, so it will be x minus 0 whole square plus y plus a whole square should be equal to PM.
x
Go
minus
for this.
y 1 whole square.
Y minus a
Y.
root 1 whole square. And now when you solve it, it will be x square plus y square plus a square plus 2ay come out to be y square plus a square plus minus 2ay.
A square.
A square and y square gone.
Minus 4a.
I got it. X square is minus 4ay. What is indicating here? Along negative y-axis. Y-axis की negative direction में it is going to open, and axis will be y-axis here. So x square is minus 4ay is the equation of parabola we have. Again we go on lattice rectum. This is point L dash, this will be L. Coordinate of this will be x1 comma minus a. Here it will come minus x1 minus of a. Can you tell what is the equation of this first?
Sir, y is equals to minus a.
Equation will be ये आपकी y is equal to a थी, तो यहाँ आ जाएगी y is equal to minus of a. And this point will satisfy here. So I got it, x1 square will be minus 4a into minus of a. X1 square come out to be 4a square. X1 will be plus minus 2a. It means ये point हो गया 2a and minus a, minus 2a and minus a. And then this length L dash come out to be 4a. What is the equation of this axis? X is equal to 0.
वही सर
Yes, is it clear?
yes sir.
So this way you will be having 4 standard results, and whatever equation given to you, you should know how to make this diagram and all the information about this parabola. If y square is equal to 4x is there, or y square is equal to minus 4x, or x square is 4ay, or x square is minus 4ay, these are the 4 standard forms, and every information about these forms we should know. Then we will be able to do the question. Now write question on it, please. Question says y square equal to 8x. This is the parabola given to you. My question is, write all the information about this parabola. Which parabola it will be? First, second, third, fourth? कौन सा parabola है?
The first.
Check करो भाई.
First.
The first.
First, y square is 4ax is the parabola. This 4a is clearly come out to be 8. So a is coming 2.
8 is 2.
Okay, and it is the first parabola, so I know how to make the diagram of it. ये diagram बनेगा here. This is our vertex. Vertex is clearly 0, 0. What about focus here?
2, 0.
A comma 0 होता है, and what is A? We have decided 2. So I'll write 2, 0. What is this point K?
Minus 2, 0.
This will come out to be minus 2, 0. Okay or no? This is your directrix Z and Z dash. ये आपकी x coordinate हो गई, x axis. What is the equation of your axis?
Y is equals to 0.
Y is equal to 0. Can you tell what is the coordinate of L and L dash?
4, 2, 4.
यहाँ क्या होता था, ये कोऑर्डिनेट तो सबका सेम रहेगा, तो 2 यहाँ आएगा और 2 यहाँ आएगा.
2,4 and 2, minus.
सेकेंड वन इज द डबल ऑफ इट. डबल ऑफ इट इसका मतलब ये हो गया 4 और ये हुआ -4. What is equation of this line? X is equal to 2.
2.
What is equation of directrix? X is equal to -2. And then they ask what is the length of lattice rectum? That is 4a. 4a means it will come out to be 8. So this way you will be having your first question completed. Any information they ask about this parabola, we have given this. Second parabola or second question, write down please. Y square is equal to, write down x square is minus of 16y. Please do it. X square is minus 16y. Which parabola?
4.
Fourth वाला सर.
Fourth wala. Yes, fourth parabola hai ye. What is
और a की वैल्यू 4 की वैल्यू.
Yes. X square is minus 4ay. कोशिश मैं करूंगा कल भी एक क्लास